Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I am doing unboxing of Nubia Red Magic 3S. It's a gaming phone. My variant is 8GB plus 128GB storage. They have two variant 8G plus 12G. The cost is $424 for 8G and 12G is $536. I got some gifts from the seller. One is a normal watch, not a smart watch, but it's okay. Gift is a gift. And they provide me an earphone and some triggers. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Is it a beast or just a simple phone? As per the rumors and everything, the phone is really good according to the price. So the box look really fabulous as you can see it. And here is our phone, 6.65 inch. It's a big phone and a little heavy one, 215 grams. So we will watch the phone later on. So first check what's inside the box. So let's see the charger first and see how many watt the charger is. So this phone have a big battery, 5000 mAh battery. So here's the charger. The charger have type C charging port and the charger is 30 watt. Wow, really good for big port. The charger is also very powerful, I can say. This phone support quick charging 4+ and you can see the data cable both side is type C. So I will do a charging test and we will see how fast is it. So let's see the last box. Here we have SIM ejector tool and some instruction manual. They don't provide some cover or something like that. So let's open the phone. Wow, so it looks really fabulous. Red Magic 3S. There is a single rear camera with the flash and they have a cooling fan in this phone. And the phone really look nice. This is a RGB light panel and the phone is very big, 6.65, 3.5 audio jack, antenna array, aluminium frame. This phone provide aluminium frame. There are two triggers in this phone and one cooling fan is here also. You can see volume key, power on button, type C charging port, stereo speaker, that is really fabulous. And we will see the SIM tray now. So this phone doesn't provide hybrid or dedicated one, just simple one, 2 nano SIM you can support it. And this button is when you want to play game, you can open the gaming mode. So I really like the structure of this phone. As a gaming phone, it should be a big phone. So here we begin the phone. Red Magic logo. So we have some languages. You can see if it belongs to your country or not. So we will choose English and let's set up the phone quickly. So our phone is started up. Let's see some basic feature. So this phone have AMOLED panel, 6.65 inch screen and they have a RGB light panel. So Red Magic logo looks very nice and you can use also some more light effects behind. Let's see, where is the setting? Yeah, no. Yeah, here. So we can use different types of light shades and it look really cool while playing games. If you love to play games, and mostly in gaming phones we can find this types of light effect. So I also like it in Vivo IQ, Black Shark 2, all they have. And we have more setting. We can change the color according to ourselves, what you want, like flow, flash, flicker. So according to you, you can choose it what you like. So now let's turn on the fingerprint sensor and face unlock. So this phone support both of them. So let's try the rear panel fingerprint first and then we will try the face unlock and see how fast they are. No, it's quick. So let's have a try. So first we try fingerprint. It's really quick, you can see. And now let's try the face unlock. It was also very quick. So now let's see the specification of the phone. This phone have Octa core 2.96, RAM 8G, 128GB storage, Android Pie, Snapdragon 855 plus, 7nm chipset. And when you start the phone, you know this theme is really nice. The fan, it's really cool, look so cool. So let's try Antutu. So before the launch of this phone, there's a news like this phone have more than 500,000 scores in Antutu. I'm really curious about to see this score. So before it, let's see the specification of phone. Android 9, 1080 by 2340 screen resolution, Snapdragon 855 plus, 48 megapixel rear camera, CPU core 8, Adreno 640, refresh rate 90 Hz, that's nice, pixel density 381, the PPI a little less, and front camera is 16 megapixel. This phone does have one rear camera. Battery is 5000 mAh and NFC doesn't support. So let's begin the test and see how it performs. So this phone have a AMOLED display panel and it's really look good, Full HD plus screen resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate. I am really impressed by 90 Hz refresh rate. So let's see what's the score of this phone. So the score is 476,634. It's very less as per the news, less than my Vivo IQ 5G. So I will try again and see if the score reach 500,000. So after testing 3 or 4 times, I got 487,860 score. So the score is really very good. So now let's try the music, and this phone have stereo speaker. So let's have a try. So the stereo quality is really impressive. The stereo speaker, I really love it. So let's talk about the camera. So this phone have a real single rear camera, 48 megapixel, Sony IMX586 with f1.7 aperture, and the front camera is 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture. But the specification of the camera is really nice and the pictures are good. I will compare with some of my other phones and let's see how is the quality. So let's see the specification of this phone. So from front camera we can click picture of in 16 megapixel, we can record 1080p, but we can from rear camera we can record the video in 8K. Wow, that is really awesome. And in slow motion we can record 90-20 fps. That's really awesome. I never tried more than 960 fps, so I will give it a try and see how it perform. So they have night mode, pretty mode, pro, and camera family. In camera family we find many features. You can see time-lapse, pano, macro, 3D, slow motion, clone. They have so many. In a camera review I will do it. Let's check the front camera. So it's a really nice 16 megapixel. As a gaming phone I think it's not so bad. So this phone have a in-display flashlight, that is also good, and you can see the picture clarity is really nice. So when I will do a camera review we can see the best pictures of how it perform. So let's begin the gaming zone of this phone. They have a gaming panel, Red Magic. So here it go. I didn't download any games, so I will do a gaming review soon in this phone. If you want to see any game, please comment me in the comment section and we will see. So my impression about this phone is really good. I love this phone. Snapdragon 855 plus and 7nm chipset, Octa core, 2.96 Hz, battery 5000 mAh, charger is also good, 30 watt, and they have 3 triggers. If you play PUBG, I will show you how to play triggers. And a gaming phone is really a beast according to this price, $424 US. So hope you like this video. If you want to ask me anything, please write in a comment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel.